In a world where time stood still, there lived a creature named Jaeger. Jaeger was not like the others, he was a time traveler. With the ability to move through time, he observed the past, present, and future with a unique perspective. One day, Jaeger found himself in a time of great turmoil. The people were divided, fighting over petty differences, and the world was on the brink of destruction. Jaeger felt a heavy burden on his shoulders. He knew he had to do something to bring harmony back to the world. He considered several options. He could use his power to manipulate time, making it so the conflicts never occurred. But he knew that would only lead to a false peace. Another option was to reveal his powers and force the people to make amends. But he feared that would only create more division. In the end, Jaeger chose a different path. He decided to stay hidden and observe, waiting for the right moment to intervene. He knew that true change came from within, not from external forces. Each day, Jaeger watched as the people continued to fight. He saw their anger, their hatred, and their fear. But he also saw their love, their courage, and their determination. He saw that despite their differences, they were all connected. One day, as he was observing, he saw a spark of hope. A young woman stood before a crowd, speaking words of unity and peace. Her voice was soft, but it carried far and wide. The people listened, and for the first time in a long time, they began to listen to each other. Jaeger knew that this was the moment he had been waiting for. He stepped out from the shadows, revealing himself to the world. The people were shocked, but they listened as Jaeger spoke. "I have been watching you," he said, "and I have seen the pain and suffering that your fights have caused. But I have also seen the love and compassion that lies within each of you. You are all connected, and it is time for you to remember that." The people listened, and for the first time in a long time, they began to understand. They forgave each other, made amends, and worked together to rebuild their world. Jaeger watched as the world healed, and he knew that he had made the right choice. He had not manipulated their destiny, but he had given them the tools they needed to heal themselves. He had allowed them to learn from their mistakes and grow stronger. In the end, Jaeger returned to his world, leaving the people to continue their journey. He knew that they would face challenges, but he also knew that they were strong enough to overcome them. He knew that they had found the true meaning of time, not as a tool to manipulate, but as a gift to learn from. And so, Jaeger traveled on, carrying with him the memories of the world he had left behind. He knew that he would always remember the people and the lessons they had taught him. He knew that he would always carry with him the hope that he had seen in their eyes. The tale of Jaeger serves as a reminder that true change comes from within. It reminds us that we have the power to shape our own destiny, but that we must first learn to listen to each other and to ourselves. It reminds us that we are all connected, and that we must act with love, compassion, and understanding. And so, let us remember the tale of Jaeger, and let it inspire us to be the best versions of ourselves that we can be. Let us remember that we are all time travelers, with the power to shape our own future. Let us remember that the true meaning of time lies not in the past or the future, but in the present moment, and the choices we make now.